What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and we are back in these rainy streets. All right, people, back in these rainy streets. My man over here is power washing in the rain. Maybe I should lower the window for you guys, since my window's all rainy and whatnot. Let me see. There we go. This man is dedicated. You see how hard it's raining out here? He's almost as dedicated as your boy. As you can see, your boy finally got that haircut, got that fresh cut, yeah, no. Anywho, let me show y'all what we're working with. Of course, I'm gonna be cutting a super tall yard in the rain. Hurry up so I won't get my camera wet and whatnot, but yeah. You'll see that tall grass action right there. I haven't even been in the backyard yet. See what's back here? Oh, buddy. I don't know where their yard starts. Oh, buddy. What is this? What is this? Big chunk of dirt. Oh, buddy. We got some mush, people. Hopefully I don't get stuck. I'm just going to assume that their yard stops at that fence and that fence over there. Yeah. So let's get started. All right, people. Just finished trimming up. About to, I'm gonna set the camera up on a porch so y'all can see, but I just wanted to show y'all something. I normally tend to trim first. As you can see, I trimmed around the house, around this pole and whatnot, and around this fence right here. But trimming first, it always helps, especially with tall yards like this. It allows you to get the grass away from the house. And what I tend to do, if this is my trimmer, I go from right to left. What that does is it kicks the grass back out into the yard. I've seen a lot of people going from left to right. I have no idea why they do that, because if you know, the trimmer head is spinning this way. So if you're going this way, that trimmer head is spinning, kicking grass up against the wall instead of kicking it out this way. So that's what I did along here, so you don't have any grass along the thing. So I'm gonna set this camera up, so hopefully this porch will protect my camera. So I gotta bring the trimmer out to touch up a couple of areas, but for the most part we are done. Let's take a look. I gotta go down to the bottom of the hill so I can take a picture for Instagram. Did I take a picture? I don't think so, but yeah, it pretty much looked like that yard over there. But you get a better look at it from the other side. This person's keeping his grass crispy. But yeah, you get a better perspective from this way. Anywho, about to take my Instagram photo, and I've got one more job, and then I'll be heading to the house. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.